Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. As you can see, I am standing in my newly renovated bathroom, and that's why I am changing it up and giving you a homeowner's tip. Did you know that if you're planning on selling your home, that a bathroom renovation will bring you 71% return on your investment? Even if you're not planning on selling, it will bring you joy and it'll make you proud of a job well done. Now, we don't plan on selling our house in the next few years. We want to enjoy the remodel now and reap the rewards later when we sell. That's why we chose a classic marble look. It's ageless. Even if you decide not to do a full remodel, paint can totally change the look of your home. Do it yourself and save lots of cash. Now, I recommend painting your walls, your ceilings, and those old golden oak cabinets. But make sure you do your research, because if you don't and you do a bad job, it's going to cost you lots of money. I'm going to be showing you a compilation of videos and pictures that I've taken over the past several months while we are remodeling our bathroom. I think behind me, where you see the herringbone marble tiles and the backlit mirror, is probably one of my favorite things about the bathroom besides the floating sink. Right. Just a little backstory on the reason why it took so long for our bathroom to be completed. It took 5 months. Well, during the whole process, the contractor came in and he did all the tiling, and we were going to keep our pedestal sink, but he suggested putting in a floating sink, and we thought about it. And we thought, yeah, he's right. If we're going to do all this work to try to update our bathroom, then we might as well just do it right. And you know what? He was correct. It looks so much better with this floating sink. You're not going to be able to see, I didn't take any before videos. I don't know why. Sorry guys. But we had back here when it was back in the day when it was a Paris theme, I had gold walls, I had a red ceiling, I had chandelier. It was more of a, one of those Paris themes at the time. It was 20 years ago. And it just needed to be painted. I needed new flooring, it needed new tile. I wanted it light and bright. And so basically that's what I got. So stay tuned and thank you so much for watching. We're getting there. Always done. Bathroom, almost there. Just have to put the fixtures and the baseboard in. Today we're starting demolition on the bathroom, so we're never gonna see it like this again. Yay! Now we decided on the large porcelain marble look tiles. One, they're more affordable, and two, I hate cleaning all the grout lines. So the larger the tiles, the less grout you have. For more information on remodels that give you the best return on your money, I'll list it below in my comments section. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.